Let us look closely at the jam غير عاقل. Jam غير عاقل, the irrational plural. In the Arabic language, the ism is subdivided into عاقل and غير عاقل. عاقل and غير عاقل. غير means not عاقل. So something that is عاقل is considered, we translate it to be rational, a rational being, meaning it has the ability to rationalize. It has intelligence. And غير عاقل, it is irrational. It does not have the ability to rationalize. It does not have intelligence. Things that are aqil are, it includes human beings, angels, and jinn. Okay? And غير aqil, irrational, includes things, animals, inanimate objects, concepts, plants, etc. So notice that animals are غير aqil. Okay? Now what is the ruling? The ruling is that if something is aqil, which includes human beings, angels, and jinns, its plural is treated as though it is plural. Meaning, whenever we want to describe this word, the word that we're using that is jam ghayr, is jam aqil, it's a rational plural, we will treat it as though it's plural. If we have a nat that is describing it, we'll treat it as though it is plural. Okay? If you want to use a pronoun instead of that ism, we treat it as though it's plural, and so on, and we'll see more examples of this later on. For instance, here are some of the examples as we're going to see right now. هؤلاء رجال. These are men. هؤلاء is plural in its complete sense. Likewise, رجال is plural in its complete sense. أولئك نساء. Those are women. These words are both plural. المدرسون مسلمون. The teachers are Muslims. They're both plural words. المدرسات عفوا مسلمات. المدرسات مسلمات. الطلاب جدد. The students are جدد, new. Okay, so we treated the plural, this word here exactly, as though it was plural. We use the plural ismul ishara. Okay, the mubtada was plural, we use the khabar was also plural, and so on. However, when the word, the ism is غير عاقل, it's irrational, like things, animals, inanimate objects, concepts, plants, etc., the ruling is that its plural is treated as singular feminine, mufrad mu'annath. We treat the word as though it is singular feminine. It doesn't mean that it is singular feminine. No, it's plural. A word such as buyut, houses. Houses, the word is plural. However, we're going to treat it in terms of its grammar, okay, in terms of the grammatical rulings, in terms of the if you're going to put a nat to describe it, if you're going to use a damir, a pronoun, in place of it, if you're going to put a khabar to match it, we're going to treat it as though it is singular feminine, mufrad mu'annath. And we're going to see lots of examples now with the jam' ghayru aqil. So just to recap, there's two isms, aqil, ghayru aqil. Aqil, the ruling is you treat it as though it's plural. غير عاقل, you treat it as though it's feminine, singular.